How to delete Netflix user profile. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your Netflix user profile. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type netflix.com, then press enter to browse it. Then make sure you are signed into your account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface. Now, after reaching this interface, hover your cursor to a profile icon at the top right corner and from the drop-down menu, here select Manage Profiles. Once you do so, you will be presented with various profiles that is available on your Netflix account. You just simply have to select one of these profiles to delete them. Once you have found the profile you want to delete, click on it to select it. And in this page, scroll down and at the bottom you will find Delete Profile option. Click on this option to delete the profile. Netflix will likely ask you to confirm your decision whether you want to keep this profile or delete it. Confirm that you want to delete the profile. After confirming the deletion, you can see you have successfully deleted the user profile on Netflix. Once the profile is deleted, any viewing history, preferences and settings associated with this profile will be permanently removed. So in this way you can delete user profile on Netflix. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.